Hello, I'm Mang Egay. I will show you now the furnace that I built in early 20s, and it's still standing, you know. Now this is the burner, the direct firing burner, which I fabricated. And as you can see, the direct firing burner can be swing. You see, it can be swing, and with that advantages, you can see, you can now troubleshoot and easily clean the burner. That's the beauty of the direct firing burner, and movable at that. And as you can see, the burner, I re-engineered it already. I put a wheel on it. First, I'll return first the swinging burner. I see. Now I return it already. Then through re-engineering of this furnace, I put up a wheel already, and as you can see, the bearing, it's a pillow block. It's a pillow block that can lift smoothly. So as you can see, it's re-engineered already, and ready for melting, you know. Just imagine if you have like this and can melt 300 capacity of metal, can recycle 300 kilos. Just imagine how advantageous this furnace is. I put up it can be lifted, you know. I will show you how it can be lifted. Now I will lift it. See, it's as simple as that. It's a lifting process wherein